Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, I am telling you, this month has been absolutely amazing. I am getting all of my boxes before the middle of the month. This one is from Macys. This is a $15 a month box. This is one that you go on the wait list, and usually it takes a month or two for you to get off that wait list. So if anything is of interest to you, you cannot get what I'm showing you now, but it will tell you a little bit of what these boxes are about. Then you'll be able to put yourself on the wait list, which is what I always suggest that you do. And then if you change your mind and they contact you via email, you just don't sign up. But it's always good when there's a wait list that you sign up for it. So this way it's your decision when and if you want to be taken off of it. So let's get started. So what's really great about the Macys box is that a lot of these items are available for us in Macys, the department stores. They also come with a brochure, and they usually give us a really nice discount card for between $5 and $10 that we can use within the store as well as online. This month, and it's the last couple of months, they've been putting these little bonuses in, and this month it is this really beautiful, beautiful bag that says love on it. It is one of those canvas type of bags. It's far larger than I thought it was going to be. It has the zipper closure. It has no lining on the inside. It's completely black inside, but this is really, really cute. And this is really nice to even leave, you know, on the corner of the desk here. It is really, really pretty. So beautifully, beautifully done. That's it up close. And that's an extra item that is not part of the count that is inside of here. Normally we get deluxe sample sizes, but a lot of them usually are the higher end brands, like department store brands. This month they did something special. They did something special because it is Black History Month. And this is the items that are in here, from my understanding, is they are from Black owned beauty brands. So we're going to be learning a lot from a lot of brands that I'm not that familiar with, some that I've seen in previous boxes, but I'm really excited about it. This one is a $5 coupon, and it says enjoy $5 off your next $20. When it was the $10 one that I had during Christmas time, it was a $40. So that's really nice as well. So that everybody gets in here. And then we have the brochure. So I'm just going to go through in the order of the brochure so that we don't miss out on anything that's out here on the desk. The first item here is this item, and this is the Shea Yeleen. It is a coconut melon shea body butter cream. This is take your skin on the tropical vacay, complete with the one and only miracle moisturizer, shea butter. This hydrating star is packed with nourishing vitamins plus the delicious scent of coconut and melon. Are you ready to stock up? This would be a $20 for, I guess, the full size of this. And it says, don't be shy, slather on your skin for all of the moisture. So let's open this up. I did not open anything before sitting down, so hopefully, oh, there's a safety seal. Hopefully it'll be easy to take off, and it is, thankfully. And that is what this looks like here. Let's take a little bit on our hands so we can smell what this is all about. There's not a very strong scent to this, which is actually nice. I'm just gonna take off my ring so I can massage it all in. Yeah, it's a really, really beautiful scent, and it goes on very nicely. This is a thicker cream, so this is something that I like to usually use on my legs, not my hands, but it smells beautiful. So, and really lightly scented, really, really nice. All right, the next item is one of a brand that I've seen in other boxes, and it is from this brand because the name is so cute. It's called Buttah Skin. This has ABA and BHA. It is a rosewater toner. This kind of skin concerns do you have? What kind of skin concerns do you have? You are in luck, because this purifying toner works for all. It is a rosewater and aloe vera refreshing your complexion with vitamin E, nourishing and protects your skin barrier. When your skin's pH is balanced, everything glows to plan. They're saying the full size of this would be $19, and it says how to use sweep across your cleansed face, neck, and décolleté. They're actually saying the value of this whole box is $83. So I don't know if the prices that they're giving are these prices here. There's a little extra cover on here to stop the spout from going out. So let me just see what this feels like. It feels like a water consistency, and the rose scent is not that bad. It actually smells more like a suntan lotion to me. That is really nice as well. So that's that little cap that's on the top here as well. All right. The next item that we have in here is this container here. And when we did the sneak peeks, I hope it's what this is inside. There should be like a gorgeous, gorgeous midnight blue in here. This one is this brand called Lovinah. It is a skincare brand. It's called Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Hydration Mask. I think this is the one. Meet the most impactful assembly of skincare powerhouses, seawater and butterfly bush that have a rich blend of minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. Yes, all that in one bottle to help our cell rejuvenation. The results are detoxified and rejuvenating your skin. They're saying it's an $82 value. How to use a thin layer to your face and neck for 15 to 20 minutes of magic. So let's see if this is that gorgeous, gorgeous color that's inside here. There is a safety seal over here. Yes, it is. Look at this color. Is that not beyond? I'm just going to take a little bit off the cover here so we could just see it up close. But is that not stunning? When I saw that color, when we were doing the sneak peeks on this, I could not believe it. So we're going to put this on the other hand here so we can see what this is all about. And there is no, well, there is a little bit of a scent to this, but not overpowering at all. Really, really excited about that. Is that not the most gorgeous color? Okay, exciting. Like I said, these are a lot of new brands to me, and these are ones that I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. The next item in here is definitely a full size. It is huge, and it's what made the box so heavy. This is called Urban Hydration. It is a lemon and berries micellar water. It says the sweet, sweet relief of melting your makeup off at the end of a long day. Add in some naturally brightening toxin-free ingredients that are cruelty-free and vegan certification to make it even sweeter. They're saying this is a $36 value, and it says used to gently remove daily makeup with a cotton swap, or add an extra layer to your clean skin that is already cleansed. I usually use micellar water to definitely take off my eye makeup, and I do 2 separate pads so that I don't have any cross-contamination with my eye makeup. Always take off your eye makeup first. I find for me that makes a big difference. And then whatever's left on the other side of the pad, I will then use it to remove the first layer of the makeup that's on my face. So, and then sometimes in the morning, if you're in a hurry, this is also a nice way to refreshen up if you don't have time for all of the, toners and doing all of that. You could just take this also on your hands, put it on, or on the cotton swab like they said, and then wipe your face off in the morning if you don't have time to do like a full cleanse. So micellar waters are really, really fantastic. And if you haven't had the chance to try it, to be able to get this in a $15 box is absolutely fantastic. One of my favorites is actually a drugstore version, and it is from Garnier, and it's the one with the pink tap, and I've shared that with you on every time I've had the opportunity to talk to you about micellar water. So like I said, it is not an expensive item to get. This one is expensive for $36, but like they said, this is a really unique one. But like I said, the other one that is from Garnier with the pink tap is phenomenal. And then the last item that is in here is this one here. It's this little, looks like a hockey puck. It says this is from Rucker Roots. It is a curly hair cream. It says if dryness is your arch enemy of curls everywhere, quench your coils and bring them back to their bouncy state with a cream infused with biotin, shea butter, coconut oil, and many other hydrating vitamins that will keep your curls looking fresh and defined. They're saying it's $13.99, and it simply says to apply it liberally to clean, unconditioned hair from root to tip. Conditioned hair from root to tip. And this is what this looks like here. I'm just gonna open it to see if there's a safety seal in this. There isn't. And there is no real scent to it, so it's just a cream like that. That is really, really nice. So the days that, you know, if you're a curly girl, this is fantastic. But if you're a girl like me that has those waves, the days that you don't want to blow dry, or you're in the pool or by the ocean all day and your hair gets all wet, this is something nice to put in to hopefully give it a little bit more definition than just that frizz factor that might happen if your hair is anything like mine. So that's a fantastic, fantastic box this month, and introducing us to so many brands, and as well as it being Black owned beauty. That is really, really exciting. So on top of the $5 coupon that you get to spend $20, we got a full size, gorgeous, gorgeous makeup bag. We got this great moisturizer. We got this Rosewater from Buttah. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous mask that is in that fantastic color. This is probably so Instagram worthy. We have a full bottle of the micellar water, as well as this curling cream. I think this was a winner. I love getting introduced to new products, and I loved that they took the time to choose February to be the month that they're focusing on Black owned beauty brands as well, which I think is fantastic. And that's everything I have for you guys today. So make sure to catch up on all my videos. Like I said, I got so many boxes and I made sure to upload all of them. We also have a fantastic giveaway going on this month, because one of my paid premium boxes from BoxyCharm was a duplicate, complete duplicate, and that had the Huda Beauty over $70 value palette. So if you haven't seen that, I'll try to link that video in down below so that you guys will be able to enter that giveaway. That's going to run for the whole month. So you'll have time to catch up on all my videos, as well as enter that giveaway through that video as well. And like I said, that's it for today, but I always like to end my videos with everybody, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.